It was very interesting doing the tarot cards with the Sahar, and I thought that was brilliant. You just have a question and you get an immediate answer to it, but she still was spot on to the reply and a very clear message, which I really appreciated. And I think if the mindset is to be accepting of what you hear and willing to take on the information, although sometimes it doesn't always make sense right then and there, but with, you just need to take it in, digest it, and then it does make sense. I found the workshop was very educational, enlightening, and emotionally satisfying. I don't know if that's the right word, but it was spot on to what I needed today and helped me focus and stay in the direction that I need to go.